Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion effectively on your phone. First, download the Notion app from your device's App Store. Once installed, simply log in with your existing Notion account or create a new one. Your workspaces will automatically sync across all your devices, ensuring a seamless experience. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute, getting you ready to organize on the go. One of the most powerful features on mobile is Quick Capture. Tap the plus icon to instantly add new ideas, tasks, or notes. You can create new pages, database entries, or even entire projects directly from your phone. This allows you to capture information the moment it strikes, ensuring no brilliant thought is ever lost. Organizing content into existing pages is also incredibly simple, taking just seconds. Navigating Notion on your phone is intuitive. Swipe right to access your sidebar, providing quick access to all your pages and databases. Consider adding Notion widgets to your home screen for one-tap access to your most important pages, like your daily to-do list or project tracker. The powerful search bar allows you to find any piece of content across your entire workspace in just a few seconds, saving you valuable time. To truly master Notion on your phone, optimize your pages for mobile viewing. Keep your pages concise and focused, avoiding overly complex layouts that are difficult to navigate on a smaller screen. Simple database views work best. Many users find success by creating dedicated mobile-friendly templates. This approach ensures your Notion experience is always smooth and efficient, even when you're on the move.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.